K2 Flashman 3. Picked up a 2019 Topps Chrome blaster box. I usually do some Chrome every year. I usually do pretty well as far as hitting autos and rookies. So yeah, you get the 4 sepias, 7 packs. So yeah, get into it. Alright, so I'll do the sepias last. Josh Rogers.
Huh?
Yeah, just wait.
Well, I'm asking if you have pack.
Yeah. Clayton Kershaw Prism Refract. Jonathan Losagia rookie. And Jose Ramirez. Joey Rickard. Refractor Perez rookie. Yeah, Orlando Arcia and Jorge Polanco. We got Jose Altuve, Nolan Arenado, Mookie Betts, 1984 refractor, Matt Chapman. We got J.P. Crawford, Cedric Mullins rookie, Future Stars, Freddie Peralta, Elvis Andrews. Right, we got 3 more regular packs. We got not to insert Noah Syndergaard, Kyle Wright rookie card, freshman flash Ryan O'Hearn, Carlos Martinez. We got Corey Seager, Taylor Ward rookie refractor, Miguel Andujar rookie cup, Clayton Kershaw. Last regular. We got, looks like Prism, William Astudillo rookie, Lewis Brinson, Tim Anderson Prism, Trevor Story. Hopefully get something good out of the sepias. Astudillo, sepia, Whit Merrifield, Tim Anderson, and Trevor Story. So nothing crazy. Didn't really hit any of the good rookies, but get a lot of refractors, color and stuff. So pretty cool break. Might do some more of this, but thanks for watching and see you guys.